Hello students, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss about the mathematics question paper and I have picked some question from previous year. Okay, and after watching this video, if you find something interesting in it, then definitely like it. And if you are new person, new viewer right now, then I also request you just subscribe is because the next video will easily reach to you. Okay, let's start. Here one more question I have got, and question is nothing but you are just watching here the KCET and 11th question, and here you will find the fx function. Fx is the function of x and 1 minus x, and the derivative of fx is what? Nothing but f dash, and you can write here, what will you write here? Nothing but the equal to derivative of x is with respect to x, so 1, and minus plus, got my point or not? And here minus plus, and it is what is you can write like that. Yes, first of all you can also write like that fx your function. If you are confusing, then you can write also x minus x raised to the power minus 1. It is okay. And if you differentiate it, nothing but f dash, then what will happen? This is the 1, and this minus is come here, this minus is come here, and minus again plus, and x raised to the power again minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So what will I wrote here? Nothing but this is the 1, because I want to know the I want to find out the f1 here, sorry, f minus 1 here, f minus 1. So nothing but is the 1, and it is what? Nothing but you can also write 1 minus 1 ja minus 1 square. Okay, so nothing but 1 upon 1 is 1, or 1 plus 1 is 2. The best answer is 2. Okay, best answer is 2, because minus 1 square is nothing but 1, and 1 upon 1 is again 1. So your answer is 1 plus 1. Okay, so this is B answer is correct. And this is the Kannada language, but this video I am making in English, so you know very well. And let's come here another question. This is amazing question, friends. Okay, why? Because here is the fx, and you have to find out the value of fx. But what is the twist? Twist is the function is only defined in different ranges. Got my point or not? Your function is only defined in a fixed interval. Okay, this is the one more interval, but where if I want to find out the value f1, so which function will I consider? So f minus 1 is falling where? Here you can say the value of x must be equal to or less than equal to. It does mean less than equal to, or you can say here the equal to and equal. And here is also value of x must be greater than x and must be less than 3. And here it is the function value is 2x, where x must be greater than 3. So it is the different interval, you know that. So in this, let's do the minus 1 is where defined. So minus 1 is equal to or less than x, sorry, x is equal to 1 or less than 1. So I use here 3 multiplied by what is the value of minus 1? So minus 1 I will put here, because my function is defined only in this range whenever the value is negative, whenever the value is less than 1. So my function is defined in this range. Plus, okay, you can write again plus, and f2 is falling here. The value of x must be greater than 1 and less than 2. So 2 is falling here. So nothing but I will write here x square. So you can also write like that, because confusion. So 3x function I am making here, and less than 3 and greater than 1, that is the 2. So this is the x square, and 4 in this section, in this range, the value of x must be greater than 3. So I want to find out the value 4. So in this range I have find out 2x. Yes or no, friend? So 3x, x is the minus 1, and here f2, so 2 square. so 2 square. Okay, and plus finally f4. F4 is what? 2 into value of x is 4, so you can write here 4. Yes, so nothing but minus 3. Yes, I know. Plus 2 raised to the power 2. So what will you write here? 4. And plus 8. So what will you write here? 4 minus 3 1, or 1 plus 8 9. So your correct answer is A. Got my point or not? This have to define in range. You have to redefine this function in the given range. Because how to know that? Because you are knowing that the minus 1 is only in minus 1 range only defined this part of function, and whenever the value of function will attain in the range less than 3 and greater than 1, then function will define the x square only, and 2x whenever it will define only, then the value of x must be greater than x. That's all. So 8 plus 4 12, 12 minus 3, that is 9. Your correct answer. And go here, nothing but it is the beautiful question. And why? Because how to do that? You have to concentrate on the orthogonal property. What is the orthogonal? It does mean two vectors are orthogonal. Hello students, this platform, Unacademy platform, is very useful for those candidates who are preparing for KCET 2021. It does mean Karnataka Common Entrance Test is holding on 2021, and the subject PCB, Physics, Chemistry and Bio group, Karnataka CET, and here you will find the Karnataka CET plus courses as well as the batches, and Hindi medium as well as the Kannada medium is also available here. And this is the top educator which will guide you to maximize your score in Karnataka CET. And here I am also telling that there is a very good and trusted platform, and you will find here the most conceptual as well as the factual information to qualify. Your group is Physics, Chemistry, Maths as well as the Bio, and in such a situation the top educator and professional educator will guide you how to maximize your score in that examination. And KCET 2021 batch, the comprehensive batch in both language, Kannada as well as English, has been started. And if you want to take this, then I will paste the link of that website in below. So go to the description box and just click and just join. It is the very simple process. Here you will find the login, and here also you can get subscription physics, and this is chemistry and as well as the mathematics. And if you are preparing for KCET 2021, then this platform will very trusted and very helpful for you, so you can easily join it. And the link of that website I am pasting inside the description box. So go there and just click. And so angle between them is nothing but 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes, we know everyone. Okay, perfect. Your question is completed. A vector dot product, B vector dot product, you can write mod of A, yes, mod of B, nothing but plus into what? Cos theta, not plus, multiplied by cos theta. And theta is what? Angle between this A and B vector. Let's say this is the A vector, let's say this is the B vector, but already told in question they are orthogonal. So cos 90, and you are a smart person, a smart child, so you know that what is the value of cos 90? 0. So if you multiply to 0, then everything 0. Yes or no? So dot product of A and B is nothing but the 0. Yes, we know that. And if you do the dot product here, then what will you do? The product of nothing but let's say I plus lambda j. Yes or no? Lambda j, where this is the lambda j, and plus 2k. Yes, 2k, close it. And again what will you write here? Dot, and what is the value of B? Nothing but mu I and plus j and minus k, nothing but, okay, and minus k, equating it to 0. But you know that the I into I, j into j, and k into k only define. So mu plus nothing but you can multiply j to j plus lambda and 2 into minus 1, only minus 1. So your definition is like that, 0. So your value mu plus lambda j equal to 2. Yes or no? This is the 2. Just close inside the box, close inside the box, or just erase it. This is not correct. Okay. Just close inside the box, okay. And another property is also given, mod a equal to mod b. So mod a is what? Nothing but root under, you can write here 1 square plus lambda square, yes, and plus 4. It is also equal, here write equal nothing but again root under you have to mod. So mu square plus 1 square plus 1 square 2, nothing but 1 square plus 1 square, and after squaring both sides, then you will find lambda square plus you can write here nothing but what is the 5, lambda square plus 5 equal to you can write here mu square is equal to plus 2. So finally you will got 3 equal to mu square and minus lambda square, but it's quite lengthy. So here you can also the sum of the mu plus lambda is 2. So 7 plus 8 by 2, it is also 2. 7 plus 8 by 2 is also 2. So there is not the correct. So here is nothing but it is the formula of a square plus b square. So what will you write here? Mu plus lambda, nothing but you can write, or mu minus lambda, but you have already find it mu plus lambda is 2. So 3 equal to 2 times of lambda, yes, here right like the mu minus lambda is here, and also you can write here lambda minus mu is equal to क्या लिखेंगे आप, what is the 3 by 2. Yes, and 2 equation and 2 variable you can find easily, 2 equation and 2 variable. So just nothing but this and this add it, okay. So you will find the 2 lambda, mu is cancel out, and just sum is 2 plus 3 by 2, okay. So what will you get? Nothing but 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2, and here is 2. So finally lambda is equal to 7 by 4. Which answer is correct? Lambda, and you have to find out the pair lambda. So first option in the 7 by 4, just put it none of the 7, so it's correct like this. So in this way you can find out easily. So this question I have, if you like properly and if you find something interesting, then we will come in next video with more deeper and sensible interactions. Okay, thank you, bye bye, we will meet soon again.